I'll show you how to clean battery connections the easy way. This battery connection is pretty dirty, but you can see this one is extremely corroded. You may be surprised how well vinegar works. Put the part that needs cleaned in a tray, pour vinegar over it, and just let it sit. Immediately you can see that vinegar just attacking that corrosion. When this reaction is done, you're gonna see a lot cleaner part. Make sure the part is completely submerged. It's been sitting for a couple hours and you can see it's a lot cleaner. I just found another one that is very corroded that we'll go ahead and put in, let it sit overnight. Just like the first time, you can see the action going on in there. This vinegar really does a nice job of cleaning everything up. After letting it soak overnight, it's really clean. You can see that blue in the vinegar. That's the copper that's dissolved. We'll clean it with water to make sure we get all that acid vinegar off. Now with the contacts clean, everything works.